What is good, guys? Today we are going to be driving the Coupe Quattro rally car to the work. Let's get it.
Five minutes later.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Not this time.
No.
Not this time. It's totally made up.
Pure fiction.
My car did not like that. Oh, fuck, guys. Might have blown the motor. Oh.
Five minutes later.
All right, guys. Well, my mood went from being really hyped to being a little depressed now because it's either the timing chain, my valves, or the motor's just done. Like it's just done. So it could be getting a turbo. I called Automotive Elegance. I think I'm just gonna tow it straight to them. It makes sense. I shouldn't tow it to my house. I don't want to say where I am, but I'm not even down the street from my crib. Like I'm pretty close, but it's hidden. But man, I'm so fucking annoyed at myself. I was ripping it. Oh, I was having fun with it, but it's okay. They're meant to be driven. They're meant to have fun. They're Quattros. Like, it's not even snowing yet. It's kind of a blessing because right now I'm not as cold. I'm more so annoyed. But if it was snowing and I was out here waiting for a tow truck, holy fuck. Oops, mute that. But it's okay. Oh, this is what we get for getting a rally Quattro. They're meant to be driven until you blow them up. Then they're just fucking paperweights. Because look at this paperweight. Yeah, like I don't even know what to do. Everything looks fine. Luckily, no smoke, no nothing. Could be a valve. I don't see any leaking from the gasket. Let's turn the camera around. Like everything looks normal. I know it's like dirty and greasy, but don't see any leaks from the valve. It's a little dirty over there, but nothing's leaking. The rear is good. Let me see if I can get on this side. Check the back of it. Yeah, like there's no damage. Axles are good. It turns. We have coolant leaking here though. Be because of that. It's kind of hot. What the hell are those? The injection system is good. This system is good. I don't understand. If you guys know what's wrong with it, let me know. Check the video of me ripping it and then you'll have a better idea of what happened. But other than that, shit. Well, there you have it, guys. Here's another day, another lifestyle lesson from Tony's Classics. Don't fucking rip a 30-year-old car up to 7,000 RPMs because it sounded fucking hella nice, shifting back and forth from third to fourth, and you're just hyped. Oh, that's gonna be a pretty paycheck. This thing better get a fucking turbo now. Better go bah, 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 bah. Just trust, we waiting for it. Cheers, guys. Next video at Automotive Elegance when we tow this piece of shit. Cheers.